Hello friends, today I am going to show you 5 ringtones of 2017 that are very popular. Let's start. First, if you like this video and then click the like button. If do not you are my subscriber, then subscribe it and click the bell icon. Okay. Now I'm going to show you 5 ringtones of the year. Okay. Here it is. One by one I play it. Okay. First is this. This is the first one. It is second one. It is the second one, and let's see the third one. And it is our last one. Okay. If you like our video, just subscribe it, and thank you for watching our channel. Thank you for watching this issue.